You are listening to the NOAA Weather Radio, KZM 162.55 MHz. Here's your 5 p.m. observations.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a hurricane watch for all coastal areas in Alabama and 50 miles inland. Effective until 6:40 a.m. Central Standard Time on Sunday, July 19, 2026. The National Hurricane Center, along with National Weather Service, is tracking a tropical storm 300 miles off the coast of Cancun, Yucatan, Mexico. It may strengthen to a Category 1 by Thursday, July 16, 2026 at 5:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Be prepared for the following things: storm surge, power outage, and evacuations. Right now is a voluntary evacuation. If you want to evacuate, grab food, water, medical supplies, a flashlight, first aid kit, fully charged cell phones, and a battery-powered radio with extra batteries.
This is WFSA 12, serving Montgomery, Alabama, and we have some breaking news. Currently everybody is evacuating the city in Montgomery and heading north. Here is my correspondent, Eric. Eric, are you there?
Yes, I am currently standing in downtown Montgomery, Alabama, where everyone is evacuating in Montgomery. It is all because of a hurricane that just grew into a Category 2 this quick. The evacuation is mandatory, no longer voluntary. People are leaving the city due to a possible risk of storm surge. I have to get out of here so I can be safe. This is Eric, signing off.
Okay, Eric, stay safe out there. Hold on. There is a new activation of the EAS broadcast. Stay tuned for more news. This is Joey, signing off.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a hurricane warning for the areas that are in a 50-mile radius of the Gulf of Mexico. Effective until further notice. At 5:55 a.m. Central Standard Time, Hurricane John is set to make landfall exactly at Mobile, Alabama at 6 a.m. Seek higher ground when flooding and seek shelter when there's a tornado.